Welcome! Today, I'm going to be unboxing some fabulous stuff sent to us from one of our sponsors, Uncharted Supply. They have sent us a first aid kit and a 72-hour, yes, 3 whole day survival kit. So I'm really excited to open these not already opened and retaped boxes. So let's get right to it, shall we? Okay, guys, let's start with this first box here. You see the actual packing slip on the box here. It says it was from San Diego, California, so you can definitely tell this box has been through some. Shipped to
Name and address withheld.
Indiana, and here we go. Now there's no one around here to see my foolishness. Fabulous box so far. First Aid Plus. First Aid plus tools plus instructions. We'll get to the big box here in a minute. I will be throwing away this trash. I am going to be environmentally responsible, so don't worry. It says First Aid Plus. Very, very hefty. It feels like it's made very well. First aid, not second, first. Tools plus instruction. Designed for the harshest conditions. 100% waterproof, mobile, I don't know how you call that. Attachment with Velcro tearaway for quick deployment. Quick deployment is always critical, especially storm chasing. Uncharted Supply. Look, it says #don't die. And on the back, it's got a bunch of fabulous pictures with a white background, so it's easy to see. And on the back, it says, not just first aid. The First Aid Plus also includes a collection of tools designed to help you fix, patch, and correct things before an accident occurs. Proactive. Designed with attachments and tearaway Velcro backer, you could safely strap to your ATV, side-by-side, truck, bike, boat, or other recreational vehicle for quick access. The welded 600D dry tarpon shell and waterproof zipper ensures that your kit will be clean and dry, no matter the abuse. And our included instruction booklet provides an expert voice when you need help. So does the book talk to you? I don't know, let's open this. Now includes Schlissman, zip ties, burn cream, and more. Wow, this thing is loaded. I really don't want to rip open this cardboard because I want to make it look nice, but waterproof. Wow, it's like it's got some nice little Velcro. Don't mind my ADHD brain. I've had coffee plus a Symbicort inhaler, so my heart rate is kind of up. But this looks really, really cool to attach it to things with this Velcro. Awesome. Definitely going to be keeping this in the RAV4. Wow, that's a very sturdy zipper. It's got like a rubber lip to keep it dry. Whoa. Hey, this is cool. Pretty cool. It's got, wow. I think the squirrels are coming for me. Look at this thing. This thing is a beast. CPR kit. How the heck do you... There's a CPR chart. Okay, that's freaking cool. Got this whole little strap here that's got stuff attached to it. Shears, tweezers, splinter probes, medication for pain, fever, blah, blah, blah. wound and burn ointment, pressure bandage and wrap. It has got everything you need in this thing. I'm glad that I have this in my car now. Gloves, alcohol wipes, saline. Does this flip over? Oh my gosh, it's like a book. The Book of Survival. Duct tape. Wow. Wipes. Flashlight. Storm-proof matches. That's another thing that I saw. Chem lights. Wow. This is one heck of a survival kit. I'm going to be prepared in case I ever need it. Absolutely. Bussin'? Is that what kids say nowadays? Bussin'? No cap? Just ignore that I even said that. Gosh darn. And I like the fact that it's kind of small. Not too big. So it doesn't take up a lot of space, but it is thick. So that is awesome. Time for the big box. Pause. Totally not previously open for a certain venue that we did in Frankfurt so people could look at it. But it's okay. It's your guys' turn to look at it. One partially mangled packing slip. Ship to
Name and address withheld.
Indiana. Now that we've got this box open, let's take a look, shall we? I hope I don't have ticks on me. This is one of my geode spots, and this is the time of year when they start coming out pretty harsh. Wow. It's like a twilled mottled gray. It's kind of cool. That's a satisfying thud. Holy moly. ADHD. Anyways, this thing is a backpack. Well, we all know I'm gonna wear this. Whoa. I'm gonna move around with it on and see how comfortable it is. Pick up my trash and see how it feels. Love it. Love it. Love it. That was comfortable. Parkour! Parkour! This thing is comfortable. Now that we've had our fun wearing it, let's continue opening it so we can help the caffeine flow through my system a little more. Uncharted Supply Company, the 72, world's best survival system. Over 35 survival tools. Somebody got a farm over there? Anyways, I'm going to continue reading like it's a sultry storytelling on a Saturday evening. Wow. Wow. Tools, food, water filter, first aid, air and vision, light, electronics, and warmth. There's a shovel and an axe in here. Okay. We'll get to that here in a second. I'm going to unzip this pouch right here. Pause. Pretty nice. I'm assuming it's 100% waterproof as well. Mosquitoes. Another little pouch here on the actual backpack too. I'm sure is 100% waterproof. It looks like it. If you look at it. Another one over here. This is made really well, guys. I'm not just saying that because we're sponsoring them, but I'm being completely unbiased. Is there anything else hiding in here? Nope. Got a backpack too. Is that? I'm assuming this is probably something you can just carry it or maybe strap it to something else. So it looks like a giant, like, vertically stacked taco of tools. A tool taco. It's cool. It's got the nice instructions on the front of this that shows you what to do and how to do it for warmth and fire, shelter, how to administer first aid, water, and food. So if you guys do end up buying one of these, you'll know exactly what to do, especially if you're caught in a wedge under an overpass, which you should not do. You're not going to an overpass. Twisters is wrong. Go to a ditch. Open this taco, shall we? Wow. Got a nice tumbler sitting in the middle. Does it have a filter built in or something? I feel like it's got a filter built in. That would be awesome. No, that's just a stainless steel tumbler. That's still cool though. Good, you can see it. Flashlight. Lighters, matches, multi-tool. Power, you get a flashlight, a radio, and a USB charger. This thing is just stacked. Warmth, you get a blanket, gloves, hand warmers, hat, and a tent. There's a whole tent in this little section right here. First aid, antibacterial wipes, first aid kit, sunscreen, air and vision, air filtration mask, chem light, and goggles. I'm gonna have to try on that mask. Tools, you got duct tape, fire starter, knife, paracord, which could be very useful, and a shovel. It's probably a really neat collapsible shovel. I have to try that too. Got food over here and a water filter. Let's look at it. What kind of food they got? It's like those, I feel like it's those dehydrated bricks of like, yeah. Emergency ration. Interesting. It's a brick of nutrition. Do not drink water during the first 24 hours unless sick, injured, or in desert conditions. After first 24 hours, drink no more than 500 milliliters or a half a liter per day. When supply is nearly exhausted, no more than 1/10 of a liter per day. Never drink seawater, not even mixed with fresh water. Open up this water filter. Wow. It's like one of those, kind of looks like one of those life straws where they say you could drink straight out of a toilet or whatnot, but it's probably a very similar contraption. It's pretty neat. Okay, I'm gonna go for this mask. Then again, if I have to open it, I don't really want to use it. Yeah. Never mind. I'm not gonna wear the mask. I don't want to have to break it open and like void a warranty or something. I don't know. Still freaking cool. I want to see these. They've got storm-proof matches. I think you can light them in like high wind and wedge-like conditions or something. Wow. This looks like a firework. Look at the size of this thing. Wow. This is a freaking awesome survival kit. Both of them. Is it another pouch? They have utilized every single square inch of space in these things. Freaking awesome. I want to see how they got this tent in here. Here we go. This could be yours if the price is right. Just kidding. This tent is formed into a tube tent to prevent heat loss. This compact tube tent provides warmth by reflecting up to 90% of body heat. Okay. So it's like those foil-lined coats that reflect the heat towards you. That's... ain't gonna die with this thing. Get in there. So yeah, guys, this survival kit is great. In the event that you do need something like this. It's very rare, considering how rare it actually is to be hit by a tornado, but it is never a bad idea to be prepared for the worst and hope for the best. Because Mother Nature Does not discriminate. So, I'm pretty sure you can get 10% off all Uncharted brands if you go on their website and decide to purchase anything that's their brand, just their brand only, I'm pretty sure. And I think the code is IN Storm Chasers, and you'll get 10% off. It's a great deal. We would love to see as many people as we can be as prepared as they can for Mother Nature or tornadoes or any kind of severe weather. These will greatly increase your chances in the extreme chance that there is a catastrophic disaster that hits you or any of your family or friends or loved ones. This will greatly increase the chance of your survival and being able to be found in case it's hard for you to be found or whatever. So definitely check Uncharted out. I'm going to check my box too, pause, because I need to find that third battery. But anyways, guys, this has been a raw, unfiltered, Uncharted unboxing of these fabulous Uncharted supply products that they have graciously sent us so we can open them up for you guys. So stay safe, don't get twisted, and we'll see you guys at the next tornado.